A bevy of earnings and economic news is coming into the market this week. Let's bring in Dan Deming of KKM Financial. Dan, what are you watching?
Yeah, both, Angie. We do have some pretty big data points. We have the ISM manufacturing and services data points, which I think the market is watching very closely, and unemployment at the end of the week. Also, as you mentioned, earnings throughout the week. The market hasn't responded overly positively to these earnings announcements. It's holding at the top end of the range, but you're not seeing any major reaction to this point. So I think it's another dynamic. And also, I think, the market's going to be continued to focus on the spending and tax negotiations taking place in Washington, D.C.
What do you see in the charts and technical levels, Dan?
It's pretty interesting. We are seeing the S&P hovering just below 4,200. Last week was, I thought, a little bit also interesting in the sense that even though we are holding up at the top end of the range, it does feel like the market is losing a little bit of its momentum. And we did see the VIX actually pop up a little bit last week, late in the week as well. So heading into a new month, Angie, I think you're seeing, again, some repositioning as we kick off the month of May.
That's true. Will it be a merry month of May or a sell in May and go away? Thanks so much, Dan.
That's right. All right. Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.